Hello, everyone. Welcome to our TLE class quarter 4, week 5, day 2 to day 5. Today, we are going to number 1, enumerate the methods and techniques in preventive maintenance. Number 2, practice the methods and techniques in preventive maintenance. For the methods and techniques in preventive maintenance, performing basic preventive maintenance is one of the most important routines in a workplace. Through this, the lifespan of tools and equipment will increase and they can be used for a longer period of time. Here are the common methods and techniques used in preventive maintenance. Number 1, scheduled maintenance. Establishing a regular maintenance schedule based on equipment manufacturer recommendations, historical performance data, and industry best practices. Scheduled maintenance tasks are performed at predetermined intervals, e.g., daily, weekly, monthly, to inspect, clean, lubricate, adjust, or replace components as needed. Number 2, tightening and adjustment. Checking and tightening loose fasteners, bolts, nuts, belts, chains, and other mechanical components to prevent excessive movement, misalignment, or loss of tension. Proper adjustment of equipment settings and controls ensures optimal performance and prevents premature wear or damage. Number 3, inspections. Conducting routine visual inspections of equipment to identify any signs of damage, wear, or deterioration. Inspections involve checking for loose or worn parts, leaks, unusual noises, vibrations, or any other abnormalities that may indicate potential issues. Number 4, lubrication management. Implementing a systematic lubrication program to ensure that equipment components are properly lubricated to reduce friction, minimize wear, and extend service life. This involves using the correct type and quantity of lubricants and following recommended lubrication schedules. Number 5, cleaning and housekeeping. Maintaining a clean and organized work environment to prevent contaminants, debris, or foreign objects from interfering with equipment operation. Regular cleaning of equipment surfaces, air intakes, filters, and cooling systems helps prevent overheating and component damage. Now, when conducting a maintenance activity on the given hand tools, what will you do if a hand tool is damaged due to misuse? And you are working in an untidy workstation, what will you do? This time, students will answer the 5-item test about the types of manuals, methods, and techniques in preventive maintenance. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, this type of manuals has the detailed procedures for inspecting, servicing, and maintaining machinery and equipment to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Maintenance manuals. B. Safety manuals. C. Instruction manuals. D. Equipment manuals. Number 2, these manuals provide step-by-step guidance on how to operate machinery, tools, or equipment safely and efficiently. Maintenance manuals. B. Safety manuals. C. Instruction manuals. D. Equipment manuals. Number 3, manuals that provide comprehensive information on the overall operations of an industrial facility or process. Maintenance manuals. B. Safety manuals. C. Instruction manuals. D. Operation manuals. Number 4, this is the checking and tightening of loose fasteners, bolts, nuts, belts, and chains. A. Scheduled maintenance. B. Inspection. C. Tightening and adjustment. D. Cleaning and housekeeping. Number 5, establishing a regular maintenance schedule based on equipment manufacturer recommendations, historical performance data, and industry best practices. A. Scheduled maintenance. B. Inspection. C. Lubrication management. D. Cleaning and housekeeping.